Hi, one please.
One ticket.
Yeah.
Steel and museum. Steel.
Yeah, steel, yeah.
349.
349. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Jsi si uvědomil, když jsi prohrál 12, jsi prohrál 30 Cček, tak jsem byl úplně zhroucený svět.
Dobrý den. Máš tam...
Make me famous, make me famous.
Co potřebuješ z litr? Já to rozumím. Na to 5 kilo, tak mi dej jedno.
I'll take that. Make it rain, I'll dance, I'll dance.
Počkejte, co jsem v tom zamotal. 349. To je 400.
Thank you.
1000. 1002.
Yep, thank you.
Floor, photo, video, touch, sit inside the car, sit on the motorcycle, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, enjoy.
Thank you. He's a savage. Look at that. If you're a gearhead, that's what you're here for. Chains, gears, that's beautiful. Oh, no way. No Stargate reference. I'm pretty sure Stargate came from here. Like. That's savage. This is class, man. This is class. Yeah, it looks like RTC, but if you get in close, like, look, it's a little gear, it's panelled beat, it's welded, it's a bike chain. And, oh, that's details, man. That is details. Except for him not being that tall. I don't remember this guy being that tall. That's savage. Look at them. Oh, that's beautiful. Ah, that's nice. Force be with you, ja. Ja, mein Deutsch. Look at the intricate details. So cool. And the Jeep as well. Like even the gas canisters, like all clogs and it's savage, like. That's beautiful. Oh, down to the details of the choke and all. Oh, savage. That's beautiful. Oh, I mean, it's this guy here. Yeah, it's just like 300 and something. Yeah, look, it's worth it, man. Savage. I know, Tommy, you'd love this one. I bet I can see you out in the garage now trying to build one of these. Savage. Even inside it, oh, like. He said I could get in it. I don't know if he estimated my weight. Ah, that's cool. Let's see. I'll wait until the family's gone by. Boba Fett. Just such detail. That is brilliant. I love that. And you can see some dude just made these like just hobby, and then it just exploded from that. Like, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna cream my pants actually, I swear. This is like Nirvana. Like. Spider-Man table. Oh. I'm trying to do 3 things here at once. I'm trying to get photos, I'm trying to get video, and I'm trying to get reels. Sorry, Taz. Sorry, Taz. I don't think this is designed for my weight. So Optimus does talk. I heard him a minute ago, so I'm waiting for that to kind of kick off. But stick close with these guys. We have the these guys. E.T. Bumblebee. Jeez, like the detail. Like, just think of building a Bumblebee. The details in it. Right. Gonna have to try to get a selfie in this thing here somehow as well. Can you? Oh. No. Come on. I need a good angle. Yeah, not working. Come on, Optimus. Oh, wait, hold on. Do I have to, because do you have steps here? Was that it? I thought it was going to tell me something. Got the Spider-Man table here with like alien coming through it and all, and chairs. That'd be a savage kid to have. Game of Thrones chair, Optimus Prime, E.T., British Guard. Come on, hold on. Maybe if I stand on this. No, I thought I heard him talking a minute ago. Even the sword, look at that sword. Like.
I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. We are here. We are waiting.
Yeah, even Optimus Prime needs to pay taxes, you know? Yeah, that sword is savage, like. Jesus. I spent more time here than I did in the bloody tower. Just for science. Okay. Did you see anything? Was there anything there? I don't know. Donald. I don't know, I'm like super happy today. This is awesome. Still there's more of it. This is savage. We got your one here. These dinosaurs. Dinosaurus. That's savage. Oh, look. Oh, okay. Sorry, yeah, I'm going to delete that. A chippy here. The only colourful thing here, actually. There's where my old keyboard went. Savage. details. Don't give me a cutout of the Hulk. I want to see the Hulk. Details. Oh, pop on. Oh, look at that. This is recycling right there behind. He says there's 2 floors of this. That's a Bugatti. Check out the inside of that. That's savage. Closest to a Bugatti I'll ever get. This place is savage. That's a nice bike as well. Okay, and there's more stuff to see as well, so I have to say, like, it's weird going out into the cold Czech roads, and then you come into a place and it's just toasty and you're already wearing loads of stuff, and it's like, I should be coming the other way. So yeah, it's definitely worth a visit. Like, the Avengers. So we got Ernie Morphin. Then we have the it's a T800, isn't it? Ooh. And we got some more bikes. Savage. Check this thing out. Oh, I think I might be dying soon. I remember having a premonition of doing that. Plus some boots. Tires. Yeah, no, boys, behave. Mm-hmm. Wally. Just gonna do a walk through this camera and then come back. There we go, there's the hook. Just savage. The denting and the panel beating, it's just Simpsons. It's me, I'm Mario. Don't fit them after 12. Man, could have done more with the hair on March. Savages, so many of them, like. Damn Batman. The Avengers. Oh look, Spider-Man holding up the table again. Where's Superman? Superman shouldn't be here. This is DC. But we got Marvel here. Thor, Cap, Hulk, Spider-Man, Wolverine, Iron Man. I remember his name, I just can't. Oh, what is it? Comment below, comment below. Oh, I just can't get it in my head. I'm thinking like red or something like that. This place is savage. Minions! I hate Mondays too. Jesus. I wonder if he's been telling Porky's on his CV to get the job. No, can not picture this one. I don't know who that is. Not Wiley Coyote, is it? Wiley Coyote. That's Sylvester. There's the, I like to move it. Yeah, he made it all the way to Czech after Antarctica. He finally got his nut. Look at the placing as well. There's Donkey. Shrek's kids. Shrek. Little baby Shrek. Mama Shrek. Puss in Boots. I thought I seen him downstairs. Yeah, I love the Minions, but it's not really fitting the... Oh, I just love this. Anyway, this is a cool place.